What's good, stock market fam? This is Corey Rose from YBN, everyone's favorite internet entrepreneur, and we're back on this Robinhood 100K challenge. As you see yesterday, big red day, down over 3%, over $500. Also down in the after hours. Was a buying day for me, and I'll show you one stock that I did pick up yesterday that was a home run. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of this type of content and invested tips. So what was the stock that I picked up yesterday? The penny stock I picked up yesterday was ticker symbol USWS, US Well Services, US Well Services. And guys, make sure to go watch my other video on how to buy trailing orders, because this was a home run. As you see, guys, it went up over 50% yesterday, up 13% during the market, over 31% in after hours. And as you can see, I'm holding 75 shares at an average cost of $171. As you see, guys, yesterday's low was 170, so I got it right at the bottom. And how did I do that? I got it by using a trailing stop order to get the best pricing to enter this trade. So as you can see, guys, I started watching the stock right here about 11 o'clock, around $1.92, $1.93. Put the trailing stop order on for 3% and was able to ride it all the way down to the bottom, and then from there it went on a massive run. So what does USWS do? It engages in a provision of high pressure and hydraulic fracking services in oil and natural gas basins. It's a EV play, guys. This is one of the EV plays. So it is in the fracking industry, all right? But with the new president, Joe Biden, and Kamala Harris, the vice president, she has stated that fracking industry will not go away in America. So this company is the only company right now who is a EV in that space. This is what makes them so unique. Like it says, it offers a clean fleet patented product, a mobile simulation system which is fueled by field gas and alternative natural gas sources. All right, this company is fairly new, started back in 2018, and their headquarters is in Texas. This is one of our easy money plays, guys, but I'm watching this very closely because this can graduate into a long-term hold. If you are looking to get in today, I expect a little bit of pullback, so make sure to put your trailing stop order on to get the best pricing possible. Once again, guys, make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Also, we have a free ebook that we're giving away, so make sure to click the link to get access to that. And we also have a new stock signal alert program as well, so make sure to check that out with the links below. Once again, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace and ashay.